are no problem. FLOWSIC600 always measures accurately. Even when contaminants are present or gas falls below dew point to make liquids. Reliable measurement, no ifs and buts. Even noise disturbance from a pressure regulator does not influence the measurement. Measurement continues accurately. In a word, FLOWSIC600 ensures long-term stability, and that saves costs, your costs. Besides that, FLOWSIC600 is critical, self-critical. All faults are displayed at an early stage. FLOWSIC600 can even check its own accuracy. Independent, redundant custody measurement? No problem. Everything fits to one device. FLOWSIC600, reliably measuring gas for over 10 years.